Hey, so I just woke up from an hour nap, and today I promised Nell that I would eat whatever she bought me and make a video out of it. But I'm gonna cheat a little and share some with Vaughn because he really wants some. So here I go. Vaughn, would you like some?
Yeah.
Alright. So here's a little story about me and chicken. When I was a kid, I ate this drumstick, and I wanted to eat so that, it was just bone at the end, and I bit the bone too hard, and my tooth was pulled off because it was ready to be taken off anyway. And from then on, I've been traumatized to eat chicken all the way to the bone. I eat chicken, but just not all the way. Sometimes I'll do it just because my friends are all doing it. It's peer pressure, But yeah, that's a little story.
You jerk. Don't just eat it by yourself.
So now I'm sharing it with Vaughn.
Have any more?
It's just ranch. It's just ranch. So as you can tell, I'm really tired.
I've been on that thing since I came home.
It's good.
Making that stupid house. I like deleted everything to make my sim have a nicer house.
It's good. Thank you, Nell. And all the other random people that tried to make me eat. I really wasn't hungry. I just wanted your food anyway. One's done. I'm almost done. And I'm about to start my homework. Last one. And that's it. So, thank you again, Nell, I guess. I didn't do that. Yeah, it's just ranch in here. And, I'll see you guys when I see you. If you're one of those people who like my videos, subscribe, I guess, or give me 5 stars. Advertise me, I don't know. Spread my videos to the world. Alright. Anyway, I'll see you all. Whoever's going to church on Wednesday, I'll see you there. And I'll be singing La Melinda Filipino on Saturday. So, yeah. I think I am. Alright, goodbye.